first day of 4th grade and hopefully I don't get caught in class on my phone. Hey, no phones in my class. Okay, that was a really loud bell. But my name is Miss Abby, and I'm your math teacher. And today we're going to be learning big multiplication. So the math marker is pink if you don't know. I mean, how would she expect us to know that? Hey, no talking. Okay, so the purple is math. So I'm your math teacher, Miss Abby. I told you this board would be used a lot. Okay, so right now, what time is it? It is 8 o'clock. Whoopsie doodles. Okay, so I'm Miss Abby, your math teacher. You'll stay with me 8 to 10 o'clock. I meant, did that say 10 o'clock? 11 o'clock. Sorry, guys, I'm so old. Well, I mean, we're going to have this thing at the end where you try to guess my age. I already gave y'all a hint. And then the reading is, can you guess what color it is? Red. And your reading teacher is actually my sister. Her name is Miss Ashley. You'll stay with her 11 to 2. Hi, 2. And then next, you have your science teacher, which is blue. And her name is Miss Lydia. You stay with her 2. You only stay with her for 1 hour. You stay with her to 3. Okay. So, by the way, our break, 8 o'clock is when you have to be here. And 9:30 is rotation. And today it would be PE. And 11:30 is lunch. And 1:30 is break. We don't have recess anymore since we're big kids now. And 2:30 is snack. At 3 o'clock is dismissal. I'm terrible at writing. Okay, so now that you know that, let's get to the lesson. It's going to be big multiplication. So first it's going to be 80 times 4. We're also going to have a little quiz with just 15 questions on it. And whoever gets the highest grade out of 3rd place to 1st place will get a prize from the fidget box. If you don't like fidgets, then you can get a book out of my library. And if you don't like books, then you're just going to have to cry about it. So what I would do is I would normally divide it twice. So we'd have 100, 10, and a 1. So does anyone know what 0 times 4 is? It's really easy. 0, that's right. I'll just answer it for y'all. And 8 times 4 equals, anybody know? 32. So you put the 3 and you put the 2. So that would equal 320. So that's one way you can do it. Or this is another way you can do it. So do you want to know the only reason why I learned little multiplication? So you can solve big multiplication. So like for an example, 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80. It's just saying 8 times 4. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. And 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. We can add all of these 8s, which we can. 8 plus 8 equals 16. And 8 plus another 6 plus 16 plus 8 equals 24. Or instead of doing all that junk, we can just say 8 times 4 equals 32. And we can put the 32. I meant 32. I'm terrible at writing. 32. So that's another way you can do it. Or this is how my daughter does it. She's going into the 6th grade today. She does it like this. 90 times 4. I'm just going to give a random one. She would always divide it, because that's the way I told her. Like this. Because she knows there would be 1, 2, 3. And she would always ignore that 0 and go to 9 times 4 equals 36. And then she would remember that the 0 was there and then just add a 0 at the end. See, that's another way you can do it. But you're really supposed to do it the first way. So yeah. So let's get ready for the pop quiz. You will be timed for 45 minutes. Teacher, my name is Miss Abby. You're using the wrong marker. Ah! I meant to write everything in purple, I swear. Just wait a minute. Sorry about that. So, I have this purple marker. 45 minutes. And just pretend like I was writing with purple the whole entire time. Okay. 45 minutes later. You know what? I'll give you 15 more minutes. 15 more minutes later. Okay, everyone better be done. What if you didn't get done with it? Will you get the grade you would normally get, but without the questions you didn't answer. Okay. So Johnny, since you didn't answer all of them, you only had 2 more to go. And you got all of them right besides those. So I'm gonna give you a 90. Just a 90. Okay? Okay, Sarah. So you made a 100. Good job. You were paying attention, weren't you? Okay, Scarlett. You made 88. That's really good. Landry, you made a 95. That's really good. Okay, I got my scores, peoples. So 3rd place was... Who was it again? Oh, it was Johnny. He had a score of, he made a 90. He only missed 2 questions. 2nd place was, whoopsie doodles. Landry. She made a 95. She missed 1. And 1st place was Sarah. She made a 100. She missed 0. Okay, guys, it is 9:30, so it's time to go to PE. Okay, well, it's 10 o'clock. Okay, it is 11. They have 1 hour and 30 minutes because they got extra time today because I told them they were being good. Okay. And so it's 11. I couldn't get this market shut! Finally. So it's 11, and it's time to go to reading. Squirt, 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 squirt. Okay, I am your reading teacher, Miss Ashley. And if y'all didn't hear, reading is red. So I'm going to write my name in red, of course. And big capital letters, Miss Ashley. Okay, so you're going to have to introduce me to you. So I know everybody. I'm here. Okay, since I know all of y'all, I'm going to give y'all a reading quiz. So the story is on your computer. And it only has about like 10 questions or 12 questions. I have no idea actually. My last class said it was 12 questions, and who told me, Marianne? Miss Sab. Oh! I'm so sorry, y'all. Some markers fell. Ah! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Whew. Nothing happened. Ah! Stop! Okay, so you read the stories on your notebook, and you'll be timed for 45 minutes. Okay, everyone, I'm going to be honest, y'all did way better than the last class. The last class made 90s, 80s, and 70s, and y'all only made 90s and 100s. So good job! Okay. Okay, guys, it's time to go to lunch. Line it up. Okay, guys, so one more thing about this. I hope y'all have a wonderful day in science and Miss Lydia's class. And yeah, I just hope y'all have a wonderful time. Okay, guys, so I'm your science teacher, Miss Lydia. And let me just write my name on the board so y'all can see it, so y'all can remember it. Miss Lydia, L-Y-D-I-E. Sorry. So today for science, someone tell me what this is. A circle? No, it's actually your human heart. Do you want me to draw a heart? Yes. Show me what a heart is. Show me what a heart looks like. That is what your heart looks like. No, it's actually not. I know more than you do, Missy. How old are you? I'm 9. Oh, you don't know how old I am? I'm 26. So I know more than you do. And, Miss Ashley is 28. And Miss Abby is, not 20. She just turned 30, I think. Yeah, she turned 30 in June. Exactly 30. Okay. So today we're going to be learning about your human body. Okay, guys, it's break time. So you get 20 minutes of your break, and then after that, we will swap back to your original class and y'all have snack, and then y'all will get out of here. Okay, so like I said at the end of the day, y'all could try to guess how old I am. Oh, I know. You just turned 30 in June. How did you know? Miss Lydia told us. What? Miss Lydia! Okay, guys, it is time. Dismissal.